Hey guys, welcome back to Tony's How To's. In this video, I'll be showing you how to skip Linkvertise 60-minute wait time. Before we start, hurry up and check out these offers on this video. So let's get started. So if you want to skip Linkvertise 60-minute wait time here, well, typically there are a few things that we could do to skip this wait time. So the first indirect way for you to basically skip the wait time here is usually you could use a VPN. Now, it depends on your preference here. There are VPNs that only work on your browser or VPN that works on your entire PC. Now, if you want to use a VPN that is entirely on your browser only, there's a free extension that you could try using here. This is called VPN. Now, usually you could go and search this on the Chrome store. You could go and just click on your extensions at the top right here and click on Manage Extensions, and you can go and just click on Chrome Web Store. Now, by the way, I'm using Google Chrome here if you're wondering what browser I'm using. But yeah, so in here you should just, or you should be able to search for VPN, and usually this should allow you to switch different servers. Like you could use the US servers, UK London here, as you can see, Singapore, Russia, and a lot more. So which is, you have like a lot of options here that you could use for different locations. Now, from here, you can go and just try using VPNs and see if that actually helps. Now, if this doesn't help, you could also try using VPN that works entirely on your PC, but this depends on your preference here. There are a lot of tools out there that you could use to basically install to your PC and use it as a VPN on your PC. But just in case, like VPN, like for example, you've installed VPN in your PC and you've also installed VPN via your browser here, like for example you use this one. Well, the thing with this one is you may need to use a different browser. Now, using a different browser sometimes helps. So for example, you could go and use Firefox or even like Opera if you want. So there are different browsers out there. So currently I'm using Firefox and Opera, or Opera GX specifically, when I try to browse online here. So you can go and try those and see if that helps. But that's about it. So for this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.